A very good morning to everyone. Myself Ishita, and today me and my classmates Heli, Ashvik, Harshit, Arora and Daksh are here to present a flip teaching on decentralization in India. When we heard the topic decentralization, the question arises, what is it? So before getting into this presentation, I would like to thank our SST ma'am for giving us the opportunity to present a flip teaching.
Decentralization in India. When power is taken away from central and state governments and given to local government, it is called decentralization. The basic behind decentralization is that there are a large number of problems and issues which are best settled at the local level. Local government is the best way to realize one important principle of democracy, namely local self government. It helps to inculcate a habit of democratic participation. Importance of decentralization develops initiative among subordinates, develops managerial talent for future, relief to top management, facilitates growth, better control, quick decision making.
Major steps taken towards decentralization in 1992. It was made constitutionally mandatory to hold elections regularly. Seats are reserved for scheduled tribes, scheduled castes, and other backward classes. At least one third of all positions are reserved for women. An independent state election commission has been created in each state to conduct panchayat and municipal elections. State government are required to state some powers and revenue with local government bodies. Limitations to decentralization. First, more cost. Second, no specialization. Third, need more specialists. Fourth, no uniform actions. Fifth, no equitable distribution of work.
The three tiers of governance: central government, state government, Panchayati Raj or municipalities. Panchayati Raj system. Rural local government is popularly known as Panchayati Raj. Each village or a group of village in some states has a Gram Panchayat. This is a council consisting of several ward members, often called Panch, a president or Sarpanch. They are directly elected by the adult population living in a village or a ward. Gram Panchayat is the decision-making body of the entire village.
Levels of Panchayat. The Panchayat works under the overall supervision of Gram Sabha. When Gram Panchayat are grouped together, they form a Panchayat Samiti or block. Municipalities. As Gram Panchayat is for rural areas, similarly we have municipalities for urban areas. Big cities are considered Big cities are considered into municipal corporation.
This new system of local government is the largest experimental in democracy conducted anywhere in the world. It is basically a single administrative division having corporate system and powers of self-government or jurisdiction or granted by nation and regional laws of which it is subordinate.
Constitutional status for local government has helped to deepen democracy in our country. It has also increased women representation and voice in our democracy. Thank you.
Thank